Do you want to post video on WhatsApp status? You can add or upload a video as WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To post a video on WhatsApp status. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, here you will see your friends and your old status at the top of the screen. Tap on the camera icon or add status to create a new status update. A new screen will appear showing recent photos and videos from your device gallery. Scroll through your gallery and select the video you want to post as your status. Alternatively, you can record a new video using the camera feature. After selecting or recording a video, you'll enter the status editing screen. Here, you can trim the video, add text, stickers, emojis, or draw on the video. Once you're done editing, tap the send icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, your video will be posted to your WhatsApp status and visible to your contacts based on your privacy settings.